welcome to Dangerous Nature, where we provide information on some of the dangerous trees, plants, and wildlife in our big ecosystem. Cone snails are interesting, fascinating creatures that are also very dangerous, and this movie will talk about them. The weight of a cone snail is around 3.5 ounces. The length of a cone snail is from 0.5 inches to 8.5 inches. Their habitat is in coral reefs, and they live in the Indian, Pacific Oceans, the Caribbean, the Red Seas, and the coast of Florida. Their lifespan is 10 to 20 years in the wild and in captivity. Cone snails look harmless, but they aren't. They are armed with at least 100 different toxins, which is more than any other creature. When cone snails hunt, they sometimes burrow under the sand. And they can swallow a fish whole. One single cone snail can kill 700 people, while one sting can kill 15 alone. There are 27 recorded deaths from cone snails. Their natural predators are hermit crabs, sea turtles, rays, horseshoe crabs, and larger predatory fish. Their prey is mostly worms, snails, and some eat fish. There are more than 1,000 species of cone snails. Did you know that the most venomous mollusk in the world is the cone snail? Freshwater snails are also very fascinating, interesting creatures, and this movie will talk about them. I hope you enjoy this movie. The length of an adult freshwater snail varies among species from 2 millimeters to approximately 60 millimeters. Their natural aquatic habitat includes aquifers, springs, creeks, rivers, lakes, and wetlands. Their lifespan in the wild is from 2 to 3 years, while in captivity it is 15. They kill about 200,000 people a year because they carry a deadly parasite. Freshwater snails are preyed by a variety of vertebrates and decapods. Decapods are an animal that have legs and 10 legs. Freshwater snails are gastropod mollusks that live in freshwater. Did you know that apple snails are the largest type of freshwater snail? The freshwater snails that carry schistosomiasis are found in streams, rivers, lakes, and in many countries around the world. Anyone who swims, bathes, or wades in freshwater streams, rivers, or untreated pools where snails carry schistosomiasis get infected. Did you know that North America has approximately 500 different species of freshwater snails? Apple snails, which are freshwater snails, are eaten in many Asian countries. Freshwater snails live in a variety of different places, including on water plants and in mud with an abundance of decaying plants and animals. They also live on algae-covered rocks, stones, and concrete. Blue-ringed octopuses are very interesting and venomous creatures. Blue-ringed octopuses only weigh 28 grams, but their bodies are 5 centimeters long and their arms 10 centimeters. And there are 3 confirmed deaths because of these small creatures. And they live a short lifespan of 2 years. And they blue-ringed octopi, they live. Blue-ringed octopuses live from the Sea of Japan down to the waters of southern Australia, across from the Philippines to Vanuatu. They inhabit depths from internal flats down to 50 meters. They tend to hide in crevices or under rocks during the day and emerge at night. So one blue-ringed octopus has enough venom to kill 26 people. During the mating season, the female blue-ringed octopus will lay anywhere from 50 to 100 eggs. The prey of blue-ringed octopuses are small crabs, hermit crabs, shrimp, and occasionally small fish. The biggest predator of blue-ringed octopuses are moray eels, surprisingly. Blood clams are interesting creatures because they're dangerous when you eat them. Blood clams are 5 to 6 centimeters long, and they're found through the Indo-Pacific region frontier in the eastern coast of South Africa, northwards and eastwards to Southeast Asia, Australia, Polynesia, and up to northern Japan. It lives mainly in the internal zone at 1 to 2 meters water depth. Burrows under the sand or mud. Clams are so dangerous that they can cause viruses such as hepatitis A and dysentery. In 1988, 31 people died from eating blood clams, while 300,000 got infected. Blood clams are one of the most dangerous foods, and they come from China. Blood clams have a black, hairy material that cover part of their shells. Blood clams contain a rich source of protein, but also contain many essential minerals for the body, such as zinc and magnesium. Blood clams have few natural predators in their native habitats. Some of the common predators of blood clams include species of crabs, starfish, predatory gastropods, and certain fish species. Blood clams typically live from around 2 to 4 years in the wild, although some individuals may survive longer periods under favorable conditions. Squid are amazing creatures. Humboldt squid are as long as 1.2 meters and tentacles that add another meter. They can weigh over 50 kilograms. But surprisingly, they only live a short lifespan of 1 to 2 years. The Humboldt squid lives at depths from 660 feet down to 2,300 feet in the eastern Pacifics, ranging from Tierra del Fuego north to California. And there are confirmed attacks of these creatures attacking humans. Humboldt squid feed on small mesopelagic fish, pelagic crustaceans, and other cephalopods. There are several predators of Humboldt squid, including swordfish, sharks, marine animals such as porpoises. Humboldt squid have a maximum speed of about 15 miles an hour. Humboldt squid live in shoals that contain about 1,200 individuals. Humboldt squid are the largest species of flying squid. Humboldt squid typically produce at least 1 million eggs in one batch. 1 million! Some female Humboldt squid can lay over 20 million eggs, which makes it more than any other known squid species. The Humboldt squid has a cannibalistic side because when there is a food shortage, they feed on smaller members of their group. which is rare in other squid species.